Hey guys, good morning. It's another lovely morning out here. A little bit overcast and it's windy, but it's still really nice. As you can see, I'm out here in my t-shirt and just walking around, feeling the morning vibes out here. And yeah, so it's a nice Tuesday morning. I almost say Monday, but it's a Tuesday morning. And yeah, it's all good. Wonderful day. I think I'm just gonna walk around here and look at what the dogs are doing. But first, let me just show you these are all this is of course the mango, the stringy mango or common mango as we call them here in Jamaica. And they're just dropping all over now. I can't even keep up with them because I have so much Julie mango and East Indian mango eating that these are not even on my list anymore. And I know some people love them, but yeah, the Julie and the East Indian take their place. There's that mischievous dog that driving me nuts, that called Girly. Just keep taking my shoes and I don't know what to do with them. And then just so much trouble. This is the black mangoes here. Yeah, the puppies are getting pretty big. Here they are running around or coming to meet me. I gave away 2 of them. Only three left. And somebody's going to this one's the male. Hi puppy. Hi puppy. Hi. Hi. These are 2 female. Very friendly and playful. Look at them. The male is a little bit more reserved. But now he's coming around because I see the 2 of them come. They always want to play with me, and I was reluctant in coming here because they're gonna follow me up to the house now when I leave. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him, look at you, yeah? Look at him, move Girly. Girly just want to join any fun, but I don't want to play with her right now because she's too mischievous. Hi, hi girl, this one's a Girly. This one's a female, she's so pretty. Yeah, so that's is they're following me. Like I said, they're gonna follow me. So that after a while they'll turn back. Girly, go back. Go back, Girly. Go back. Go back. Go. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. See, that's the only way I can get Girly to go back when I tell her to go back. She won't go back if I point it out to her where she make a mess, she runs away. If I say, what's this, then she run away. Yeah, man, but have a good week, guys. It doesn't matter how someone said, never mind the weather, never mind the rain. The more we are together, the happier we remain. So, have a good week, guys. And God bless you. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Go back. I said go back.